I think the team here will agree with me. We have never felt any bored with the session. It is very lively. Normally, most of the online trainings, what happens is they put on the mute and they put off the camera and they spend their time going out watching Kuru, which is playing right at my back, and then they will come towards the end. But I think this has not happened here, so which clearly shows that the session is met in a very interactive and in a very lively way by the resource person. So all the credit goes to Mr. Anuj for this. All the best, and Mr. Anuj, thank you very much on our behalf, and convey our acknowledgement to D2O and D2O learning on our behalf. So thank you everybody.